Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Whitfield III. We're going on to question 97. Do you have difficulty of the top 200 Social Security disability hearing questions? Do you have difficulty buttoning buttons, zippering zippers, or tying shoelaces? Oh, it is a good question. Let's break it down. Now, you're not going to hear it like this. In the hearing, it's never broken down for you. It is always, unless it's the environmental restrictions question, but it is always going to be in the form, other than that question, of do you have any difficulty getting dressed? Now, this one breaks it down a little bit for you. Do you have difficulty buttoning buttons, zippering zippers, or tying shoelaces? All right, buttoning buttons. Fine manipulative features requires two hands usually. Zippering zippers. Fine manipulative features requires two hands usually. Tying shoelaces requires you to bend over to get to them and then be able to do fine manipulative functioning with your fingers. Okay. Another one you could throw in there is putting on shoes. That's more of the gross function. Grabbing the shoe, putting it on. So there's two things with hands. There's gross manipulative functioning, blah, 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 and then there's fine manipulative functioning, doopy-doopy-doo. And those are kind of how we look at your capacity to go ahead and do things with your hands. All right. So that is 97 of the top 200 Social Security disability hearing questions that you're likely to hear in your exciting OHO hearing. Aren't you excited? Subscribe, like, adopt a pet and love it forever. If you leave 5 stars, that's amazing. I need more of them. If this video helped you in a way, try it. It won't hurt you. Also, if you want to catch up with me, shoot me an email or give me a call. Also, if you want to get updated information, check me out on the live YouTube channel, 8 to 10, every Thursday, 8 p.m. I go live. You can ask me whatever questions you want, and I'll answer them. All right? We're going to be going to question 98 of the top. That's not good. All right, let's go check that out, and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, bye-bye.